Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to free up storage space in CapCut. Over time, projects and files can take up a lot of space, so let's look at some quick way to clear up that space. The first step is to delete unused projects. First, open your CapCut and go to the project list. Review any project you no longer need. Then tap on the three dots next to each project and select delete to remove it. This will instantly clear up space. The next step is to clear cache. CapCut also stores cache data that take up space. To clear these, go to the CapCut setting menu, find clear cache and tap on it. This removes temporary files without affecting your saved project. Another step is to remove unused effects, stickers and fonts. If you've downloaded effects, stickers or fonts you no longer use, go back to settings and select manage under each category to remove unused assets. This is another great way to save space. Another step is to export and save finished projects as well. For projects you want to keep, consider exporting the final video to your phone or cloud storage, then delete the original project from CapCut. This keeps your work safe while freeing up space in the app. And that's it guys. By following these steps, you can reduce CapCut storage usage and keep your app running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing. Bye bye.